While many states are counting the days before they can impose tough anti-abortion laws, California is going the opposite route.
KCAL 9 political reporter Tom Waite is here to explain. Tom.
Yeah, Juan and Pat, as you said, the intense reaction continues. The governor today lashed out at Republicans and the Supreme Court and vowed to fight. But on the other side, the GOP claims Democrats are using the issue as a distraction to avoid talking about things like high gas prices and inflation.
This has never happened in our lifetime. They're taking away rights that have been affirmed over and over again and well established. They are taking them away. Wake up, America.
Appearing with Planned Parenthood Los Angeles, Governor Newsom appeared emotional, even angry, as he talked about the draft decision that appears to show the Supreme Court set to overturn Roe v. Wade sometime in the next couple of months.
How about all of those women and girls raped in states where they don't even make an exception for rape? Talk about extremists. Rape and incest. That's how extreme the Republican Party is in the United States of America.
Governor Newsom and state legislative leaders are now proposing to enshrine protections for abortion rights into the state constitution.
And while it's well established in statute since 2002 that we are a reproductive freedom state, we are going to enshrine that, codify that, as we should, in the state constitution.
Irvine Assemblywoman Cotty Petrie Norris is proposing a separate bill in the state to expand California's reproductive health and abortion care workforce.
I'm 46 years old. Roe was 2 years old when I was born, and it's a right that I have enjoyed all my life. It's a right that my generation of women have come to expect. And the idea that our daughters are going to have less freedom than we do, the idea that the next generation is seeing our rights stripped away, it is terrifying.
There is opposition to amending the state constitution. Kathleen Domingo is the executive director for the California Catholic Conference. She says more needs to be done to support alternatives to abortion, like providing health, housing, and wellness services for pregnant women.
Certainly people in California will be opposed to this measure. Of course, abortion continues to be one of the most contested issues of our day and for the last 50 years. At the same time, California Catholic bishops and our church of 12 million Catholics in California are working to strengthen safety nets for women and children and families across the state.
The California GOP released a statement saying Democrats are using an abortion rights amendment as a distraction.
We have a state where almost everything is going in the wrong direction. They're now kind of latching on to this issue, even though if the Supreme Court were to rule in the way that that draft opinion indicates, it would not change anything in California.
If the Supreme Court ruling does stand, the GOP will succeed in a mission they started decades ago, but they may face intense backlash.
How will voters feel? It seems like from the public outcry thus far that all this has done is damage for conservative individuals because it's reigniting voters who were independent. We often don't think about the polls. You know, extremists on both sides have already got their ideologies entrenched and well decided. But for those in the middle, this is something that has been seen as the status quo for some time, and it's been really normalized.
If state lawmakers do move forward with a constitutional amendment as planned, voters would ultimately have to approve it in November's election. Pat, back to you.
All right. Thanks so much, Tom.